Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to use social media application private. Yeah, example Facebook, TikTok, YouTube and Messenger, something, yeah, private. You can use all the social media private. You just use just one application. Okay, now go to App Store. Yeah, and then you write friendly. Yeah, over here friendly. Yeah, you click one and then you see friendly social browser. Yeah, friendly social browser, and then click download. Yeah, wait a moment. Yes, now I click open and then get start. You see Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Line, in TikTok, YouTube, Needor, Pinterest, Rabbit. Yes, all this application use private. Now I click Facebook 1, 2, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Yeah, this application use private. Okay, I click continue and then you see this, you can add more. Yeah, select another. Yeah, link. You can example line, WeChat, something. Okay, now it's just 3 4. Okay, just 4. Okay, example I use YouTube. I click YouTube, continue. Yeah, now I want to, yeah, lock password. Yeah, I click set. Yeah, use Face ID, continue. Yeah, it's YouTube. Okay, you can log in your another account. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can listen. Okay, yes, the same application, but this application, this website, YouTube, but use the same application and can download, can something the same in the same app. Okay, it's more Facebook. Yeah, I click set password and Face ID. Yeah, you can log in your another account, Instagram, TikTok. It's the same. Yeah, it's TikTok. Yeah, it's the same app. Yeah, you see it's the same outside app. Yeah, TikTok. Yeah, you see it's the same. Okay, and I go to again friendly. Yeah, I'm open friendly. Yeah, you see, locked by my Face ID. If I want to change to YouTube, I click this one and I click YouTube. Yeah, I click YouTube. Open, you see, Face ID. Okay. Yes, you can log in something. Okay. And change to Facebook. Yeah. Need Face ID. Okay, you see, this a good application. Okay, thank you everyone. Hope you guys understand about this video. I'm very thank you and hope you guys like, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.